Put some pressure on that bar and watch him curl up. Told like 20 choppers longer than umbrellas. Bring that cash back to daddy, bitch, you better.
So, yeah, we in Vegas. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We in a B&B. I'll show y'all this shit right now. It's looking crazy. But we in Vegas. We in Vegas right now, getting ready for complexcon and shit like that right now. Got my planner going on, you feel me? Got some content to upload. I got D-Lo. We just did, D-Lo just posted a video wearing our beanie, so we're about to market that.
London, we finna pop it extra hard. Yeah. Bring that motion.
Post that motherfucker. You hear it, y'all see, bro. complexcon in the back. Took a lot to get here, you feel me? Exhibitor, man. I'm out here been with one of my niggas that we done started this shit together again. Like, we done really been working together, and we've been a part. I've been a part of his brand. He's been a part of my brand since the beginning, and it's crazy to see how far we came. That we all the way in Vegas. This is my first time in Vegas. I've never been to Vegas, but we came far, bro. We used to do pop-ups, drive to Atlanta, get to pack up the whips together, and we here, fam. We here in Vegas, fam. There go the spirit right there. Like, your life can really change in the push of a button, fam. Not even a push of a button. In the blink of an eye, your life can change. You could be out here in Vegas. I don't know what they doing out here. It look like they setting up some shit, but that's the building, baby. complexcon, Las Vegas Convention Center, the biggest convention center damn near in the world, bro. But if y'all keep going, y'all could be here. I know a lot of y'all got a passion for fashion, and y'all want this to be you. You can make it happen, bruh. I just met that nigga Hellstar Shiny yesterday.
Shoes you dropped.
Oh, that's fire, bro. Yeah, bruh, telling me he one of the biggest niggas to ever do it. No glazing shit, no dick riding shit. He one of the biggest niggas to ever do it from nothing. If you want to talk about somebody who is somebody like us, like me, that nigga is one of them people, bro. He's one of them niggas that he started a wave, and he pretty much through his blow up, his wave, I learned so much things. I know so much brand owners that learn so much things from that. You feel me? But bro, just stay locked in and you'll be out here. Stay locked in on whatever it is you want to chase, and you're gonna be there. You feel me, gang? This didn't come happen overnight. But you feel me? Y'all boys see. We got this shit. Truck, man. Full of boxes, man. Truck full of boxes. Truck full of boxes and bitch ass niggas, man. Okay. Wearing crop top, man. You baby. Got my shirt right here just in case I gotta do some work. I think I'm about to throw that shirt on, bro, cause. So yeah, we out here at complexcon and shit like that, fam. We got a lot of shit to see, a lot of shit for y'all to see. A lot of shit. Come over here, gang. A lot of shit for a lot. So I've been looking for a new manufacturer, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Manufacturer tryouts is one of the most stressful things in the world, bro. You over here waiting 2-3 weeks, maybe even up to a month, just to see if a nigga is trustworthy and worthwhile. So going through the whole sampling process with a new manufacturer and making sure their quality is on point, making sure they can deliver on their promises and a bunch of shit like that, bro, I ain't gonna lie, it's one of the most stressful things in business. But once you lock in with a manu, you feel me? You gonna be vibing, you gonna be popping for real. You gonna be popping, vibing, getting shit out, going. 100-piece order, boom. 200-piece order, boom. Then you scale up to a 500-piece order, boom. 1,000-piece order, boom. At that point, that's probably the lowest MOQ price you're gonna be able to get. The lowest price you're gonna be able to get, fam. 1,000 pieces. You order 2,000, the price might change by 50 cents. When you look at the grand scheme of things, that might say you like $500 here and there, but you ain't gonna really get lower when unless you ordering like 10,000 pieces, gang. But yeah, after the 1,000-piece mark, then you ordering 10,000 pieces. But for you to even order 10,000 pieces from a manufacturer, you gotta know that nigga can handle 100 pieces, 200 pieces, 300. You scale up. You don't just start from the top and then work your way down. You start from the bottom and work your way up. But when you finally find a new manufacturer, has been crazy, gang. I ain't gonna lie to you. It has not been enjoyable, but it's been it, you know. Where y'all boys going?
Let's go inside. Pop the lock.
But we about to walk in this motherfucker right now, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta post some content. I gotta record some content, so I can't sit here and vlog all day for y'all. But I do want y'all to see kind of the process on how a lot of these brands set up their shit beforehand. It look like it's hundreds of people here because it's hundreds of brands. So it's hundreds of brand owners here setting up, you know, trying to make their dream come true and shit like that. So we all out here working, man. That's what it is. Even these boys, they setting up for the concert. I think Yeet, Ken Carson, Playboy Cardi ain't performing here. Yeet, Ken Carson, all them other boys. Y'all just read the flyer if y'all want to see who performing at complexcon. I don't know if I'll be attending the concert or whatever. I have no idea, but hopefully, whatever it is lit. That nigga always doing that shit, bro. With that raggedy ass, old ass GMC, nigga. Get a new Escalade, nigga. At least get one of those, nigga. What that is right there? A fucking a Chevy Tahoe, gang. That nigga in that old ass GMC honking his horn, man. Come on, dog. That's how we vibing. Damn, I ain't gonna lie, that nigga coming in hot, gang. That nigga trying to murder. He trying to murder. You see, that nigga see some black niggas. Yes, let me speed my ass up. Yeah, gang, let's go. Across the street. Something about bright as fuck, man. Goddamn. Alright, man. Shit, we at complexcon. Word two. I ain't gonna lie, man. Every time I get around my New York niggas too long, I start saying New York shit, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, gang. My Florida lingo fades from me. Stop saying jit and bitch is like, feel me? I'm outside, I'm out of town, you feel me? It's crazy. They got some bagels over there, Bagel Mania. I don't know if y'all see that. That shit got a sign. They got a sign for everything out here. This shit like another New York, bro. This shit real deal crazy out here. They got, I'm trying to see how we're getting in. I got my wristband right here. Shit, this is for the vendors only. If you see a nigga with one of these wristbands, a blue wristband, if you see a nigga with a blue wristband, that mean give it up, baby. That mean give it up, baby. This nigga got money. He got a brand. He spending money to be here. He ain't one of the shoppers. He one of the workers. Not one of the workers. I meant to say one of the owners, nigga. Yeah. So you gonna have to give it up, baby. You see a nigga with one of these blue wristbands? This ain't a regular. This shit even better than the VIP, cause I'm the niggas that's paying for this event so they can even have a VIP, nigga. Yeah. Is the dinner for y'all? I ain't gonna lie, man. New plate. Damn, it's packed in here. How the fuck is this nigga carrying the box like that? Huh? You good?
Yeah.
Bro, get your arms under that motherfucker, gang. Like how I get. Yeah, that's it. That's the easy way. There you go. Yeah, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, I tried that.
Right now we doing a walk of shame, family, with all our aura right now. You feel me? Got a big box, man. Chasing your dream. Who said chasing your dream was gonna be easy, boy? Chasing your dream ain't never easy, gang. Sometimes you gotta carry a shit ton of boxes through the building and lose aura. You feel me? Sometimes it's like that, gang. But you gotta do it. Sometimes you gotta do what you don't wanna do. That's a main problem with a lot of y'all, bro. And y'all procrastinating. Cause y'all wanna do it, but you're not getting up and doing it, gang. You gotta get up and get out here. Gotta take the risk, man. You gotta be one of them boys that go down in history. You can't be one of the lame niggas that blend in to the college yearbooks, homie. You gotta be the one that stand out. They gotta have a star under your name. You feel me? You gotta be the nigga that's in the book, gang. That's in the history books, gang. You feel me? Damn, what we about to do about this?
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. How am I getting down?
That's what I'm about to do.
How am I
What we
getting
about to
down?
do about this shit? Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can help you. Hold on. Oh, we got a ramp. I ain't gonna lie, we in this bitch, gang. I got all the boxes. Every box, all 600 pieces is in this building, so we good. Y'all see, like, everybody, shit is a mess right now, gang. But we here at complexcon. Y'all see this, the old porch. That shit is crazy. Like, some of the shit they got out here is absolutely fucking insane, dog. Oh my god, like this is the perfect place for me. Like, I wish this shit was 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Like, this This is it right here. So much creativity out here. Like, the world is just wild. I'll just say that. A lot of creative people everywhere you look. Look at this shit. Like, everybody's bringing their best shit out. Them bags are crazy. Like, nigga, I want to buy something from every booth. Tomorrow, it's gonna be one of them days, fam. One of them days to remember, gang. For sure. Cause it's just, it's too different out here, bro. Too different out here. Hoes different, clothes different, everything different. It's Vegas, man. How you feel, nigga?
That shit was that heavy.
Oh my God, wait. Hey, oh shit, I got it. You need one of these. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, a rhinestone piece is mandatory in one of these events, bro, cause the lighting in here look crazy. Like, bro, look at the Cardi right now. A rhinestone, Cardi, diamonds in these events is hit different, nigga. Hit different. Atlanta streetwear market, complex, no matter what event you at, you need some diamonds and you need some rhinestones. If you want to shine, you want to get some ass. Dog out here, man. One thing about me, y'all don't know, nigga, I love F1. I mean, I'm at the Lego booth, fam. They got a whole F1 car here, fam. That shit is crazy. That shit's crazy. I had to walk over here and show y'all that. They got the F1 car. That's the real size. Like, gang, I'm trying to hop in that motherfucker. That's crazy. But I'm gonna hit the bathroom. Those are some hands are hard. Those shoes are crazy. Everywhere, nigga. I see your Superline shit, nigga. I got a van in motion right now. I'm looking on the van. I'm not looking crazy. I seen this motherfucking M3. I think it's an M3. Yeah, this is an M3 game. Painted like a motherfucking cartoon. This shit is crazy right here. But I just know they don't drive this motherfucker. Look, the tire flat in that bitch. I just know they don't drive this shit, game. But that shit look hard. I don't even know what brand this is. Humane World for Animals. So y'all see, like, each of these brands, they got a target customer. They got somebody that they're trying to target. You feel me? And a complexcon, it's 100,000 people. So there's a lot of target customers, target audiences you can fuck with out here in Vegas. I mean, I'm geeked right now. Like, I'm geeked. Y'all don't understand how I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm so geeked. Cause, bro, we really in complexcon. Like, this my first complexcon, bro. Like, this my first complexcon. This shit is amazing. An amazing experience. You see, we got the wannabes, the wannabe superhero boys right here.
Crazy.
Appreciate it.
Bro.
Thank you, bro.
Tomorrow I'll be doing interviews. I'll be doing fit check interviews.
Okay, so I'm gonna be. I think I gotta know my shit, bro. But I'm gonna be.
You got a brand?
Yeah. This is my brand. I do full time. This is what I like pushing.
That shit hard.
I do multiple brands and shit. Like, I mentor like 20 people.
Say, look, that's what I'm saying. Anybody I see with it on, I'm pushing up. Feel me? I appreciate you even being humble enough to stop and talk. Feel me? Some people be too big for the program, you know?
Yeah, nah,
like they can't stop being networked. You feel me?
Mark my words, one day I'm gonna have one of these. Right now we just a spectator, we just looking right now, but one day I'm gonna have one of these, bro. This shit is crazy. This shit is crazy. Wheels and that shit. Insane. Insane. That's yeah, I thought I'd do one of them inspirational videos so I can make an edit whenever I get rich and I make it. You know? Yeah, this the salon shit, bro. This what all the hype about right now. Everybody want that nigga paintings in their house, man. And when I say everybody, I mean everybody. I see one of my dogs. I'm gonna see if the nigga recognize it.
Hands out.
But like he by himself, that nigga snap. Let me put you on my vlog real quick. Black truck. My dog, he even stopped for us. We stopped at the gas station. I ain't never had no Uber stop at the gas station for me, gang, but he's a real nigga for doing that. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, it's our first complexcon, nigga. This a time to remember, gang. It's really a time to remember, bro. My nigga Sam's first complexcon. I'm gonna be right up with him next year, popping it. You feel me? I'm out here learning, taking everything in. You feel me? It's gonna be lit, gang. I ain't gonna lie. We in the black truck right now on the way. You feel me? This Vegas been popping though. I love Vegas, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if it's because I'm always with good people or what, but it's popping out here. Man. Like, you just can't lose too much money, gang. But when you out here like me and gambling, you can't lose. You feel me? I know these niggas tired of hearing me yapping.
Put some pressure on that bar and watch it curl up. Told like 20 choppers longer than umbrellas. Bring that cash back to daddy, bitch, you better.